The first ODI between India and Sri Lanka turned out to be an overly one-sided affair. The men in blue came out firing on all cylinders and won the match by 7 wickets with as many as 80 balls to spare. The young Prithvi Shaw became the player of the match after his flying start in India's run chase. Tough, their batters put up a fight. The Lankan bowlers looked helpless, especially in the power play. The second game of the series is set to take place on Tuesday, 20 July, and it's a must-win affair for the host. The visitors, meanwhile, will be looking to put forth in another clinical show and seal the fate of the series. In this video, you will get the weather reports, pitch report, stadium states, team news, Dream 11 prediction, head-to-head records, venue, match date, match and toss timings, live telecast about the second ODI match between India vs Sri Lanka starting from 20th July. Let's start. The India vs Sri Lanka second ODI match is set to take place on 20th July on the venue of Colombo Stadium. India team tentative playing 11 for second ODI match. Captain Shikhar Dhawan, Prithvi Shaw, Surya Kumar Yadav, Manish Pandey, wicketkeeper Ishan Kishan, Hardik Pandya, Krunal Pandya, Deepak Chahar, Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Kuldeep Yadav and Yuzvendra Chahal. Sri Lanka team tentative playing 11 for second ODI match. Avishka Fernando, wicketkeeper Minod Bhanuka, Bhanuka Rajapaksa, Charit Ashalanka, Manindu Hasranga, Dhananjaya D. Silva, Captain Dashun Shanaka, Ishuru Udana or Lahiru Kumara, Chamika Karunaratne, Lakshan Sadakan and Dushmanta Chamira. The India vs Sri Lanka second ODI match is set to play at R. Premadasa Stadium, Colombo, Sri Lanka. Head-to-head states. Total 15 number of series have been played between both of the teams so far, out of which India have won 9 series and Sri Lanka have won only 1 series. 5 series was drawn. Total 19 T20I matches have been played between both of the teams so far, out of which India have won 13 T20I matches and Sri Lanka have won 5 T20I matches. 1 T20I match was drawn. Stadium states. In this R. Premadasa Stadium in Colombo, Sri Lanka, total 36 international T20I matches have been played so far, out of which the batting first team have won 17 matches and the bowling first team have won 18 matches. The average first inning score in this stadium is 157 runs and the average second inning score in this stadium is 138 runs. The highest total recorded was 215 for 5 wickets in 19.4 overs by Bangladesh vs Sri Lanka, and the lowest total recorded was 80 all out in 17.2 over by Afghanistan vs England. The highest score chased in the stadium is 215 for 5 by Bangladesh, and the lowest score defended is 115 for 6 in 20 overs by South Africa. Pitch reports. The pitch in the first ODI turned out to be an absolute belter, especially under the lights. Hence, it's pretty much a no-brainer that teams should opt to field first after winning the toss. Yuzvendra Chahal and Kuldeep Yadav picked 2 wickets each in the first game, showing that the deck has something for the spinners as well. The conditions will mostly be sunny with no chance of rain. Weather report. The weather of R. Premadasa Stadium in Colombo says that there will be no chance of rain during the play. The highest temperature will be 29 degree and the lowest temperature will be 27 degree. 79% of humidity there will be. Toss time and playing time. The toss of the match between India vs Sri Lanka second ODI will start at 2:30 pm and the playing time will start at 3 pm Indian time. Live telecast and live streaming. The India vs Sri Lanka second ODI match will be live telecasted on all Sony Sports Network. So, after all the analysis, the match prediction is India will win this match and win the series. So, according to you, who will win the second ODI match? comment down. Thank you. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.